Now?
Yeah.
Alright, so we walking up the street, y'all. We ain't got much shit else to do, so I guess we rap when we walk up the street. We gonna rap like that nigga. What's that nigga, The Arsenal? That's how you rap?
Yeah.
Alright, we gonna rap like this nigga. We got D-trees, D-strokes. D-trees for the niggas that wanna catch it, and we got D-strokes for the bitches that wanna snatch it. I'm talking about the dick. Shit in my pants. Alright. It's a bitch-ass nigga. Amber Clarkian bitch-ass nigga. Police pulling over, he want a snitch-ass nigga. Oh, I want to get done in the booty, in jail, and fuck what you heard, and yes, I do smell. And I'm not talking about me, I'm talking in third person. You can say I'm a robber, but I am no person. I'm a ghost, I'm gone, I'm not in the shit. I don't give a fuck because she goggled my dick. She put it in her mouth and swallowed my shit, and then I nut in a cup, and she goggled that shit. It's not Listerine, but we so clean. Fuck what you want, and we aiming at your dreams. Why you fucking sleep in your fucking place? Nigga, we aiming out all you niggas' race. It's SBs to the day that I die. It's SBs to the day that I fly, but I guess I'm so fly that a nigga never die, and I fuck what you want, and I wish a nigga would try. Take my life, no nigga never that. Don't give a fuck about none of these cats. Like I said back then in the day. My bad, bro, I done spit in your face. I ain't mean to do it, nigga, it was an accident. Nigga, you fucking up now, it's a tragedy. Imagine me. Can you imagine me? Broke, nigga? No, nigga, that. I got at least a bill in my pocket. Niggas talk shit, these niggas stop it.
So that bitch was sucking my dick.
Dick.
She sat there and swallowed her own spit.
Spit?
I don't give a fuck because the bitch goggled my dick and swallowed her own spit. It's not my fault your bitch be on her knees so much. She forgot she got feet. No, I'm just playing. But she did let a nigga beat. I beat the pussy up. Then I sent it back to you. Don't get mad because the bitch was all hacking me. I don't give a fuck because it's a little mank though. It's SB bitch and you already know. But I don't give a fuck because I'm a fly guy. I don't give a fuck because I fly by. Now I'm just playing I walk by. I don't give a fuck so I'm so fly. But your bitch so ugly. I wouldn't even let the bitch touch me. But be calm with it. I don't want problems. Nah, fuck that. I want drama.
He want drama. We spinning these niggas with the AK-47. Send these niggas to heaven. Fuck what they wishing. Nigga, bullets will be different. I'm in this shit. Like he said, she been on her knees for so long, she forgot she had feet. The bitch was in the corner so long, she forgot that there was heat, because she's in the fucking cold. If she is a hoe, she's a gold digger. Fuck all these niggas. Fuck what you want, because we sitting on our figures. We sit on our stacks, because we so fucking tall. Fuck what you on, no shorts on, but I ball. But I still got them on, got my red Buffalo shorts with the black and the white stripe. And I don't give a fuck, because I fuck your girl with her white dyke. And then I take her bitch, now she spit on the mic, and then she swallowed the shit like she spit in the sight. Oops, I meant bite. She riding my shit. I don't give a fuck, clean tight in my shit. Oh, I said clean tight in my shit. This nigga, you heard me, can stop the recording, replay, and rewind in my shit. Now, I'm in this shit, winding this shit. I don't give a fuck, never jerking. But I be in a pussy, I bet a nigga twerking. Murking niggas, murk fucking season. In fact, nigga, I'm gone for a reason.
Okay, we don't go dumb. We get stupid. We don't give a fuck because we always in your girl's coochie. It might not make sense now, but it will later. Don't get mad because we use the real hater. But like my arm says, say fuck haters. And we don't give a fuck because we ride by in your mama's escalator. No, I'm just playing. Don't get mad though. You just mad because your girl's a real hoe. Playing with my dick and swallowing her own spit. I don't give a fuck. I slapped that bitch. But this shit might not make no sense, but I don't give a fuck because it's SB though. All 3 pills, nigga, you already know. Free Chubb Rock and Sprite. I'm just playing.
Nah, nigga, we ain't playing. It's Free Chubb Rock. He ain't going because he had a Glock. He told him, off that thick ass shit that he needs to stop. He was smoking that shit because he was on probation. And now I'm all shout out to all my black nation. SB Nation, passing up people. Yeah, you seen a white man pass by and you thought it was a sequel. No, nigga, that wasn't me rapping 8 miles. Because, nigga, we walk no mile. I'm so gone, walk with no destination. He got the gun out, shoot with no hesitation. No reason for why he's doing it. His dad said, nigga, here a Glock. Go shoot me. Go to the desert, aim at anything. Just hope you're not pointing at something. I'm wondering when I'm gonna die. But then I wonder, nigga, why? I don't know why, but I am so fly. And I'm too cool for school, and I am that guy. I got kicked out for slanging pills. Nigga, what the fuck is the main deal? I fucked up my college scholarship. And now I gotta learn from this dollar shit. I got kicked out for $3 fucking bucks. What dumb nigga you know fuck up?
But I ain't gonna rap no more. I'm done rapping for now. But shout out to my SB niggas. D-Tree, to the Bridget, the D-Stroke, his name, AK, beat the pussy up, holla back. I'm just playing, but I do play with the cat. Shout out to Stroke. No, I'm just playing. I miss Smash, bro. But that nigga can't fuck. I heard from this other bitch duck.
But just saying, we're just throwing out what we heard.
But anyway, shout out to Ryan, AK Smash. Shout out to Halo. Shout out to the other ant, little ant. Little Ghost. I said little, but little Ghost. Shout out to Gucci, Zay,
Bird,
Chubb Rock. That's who.
Taz,
Greg, Tyrone. Let's see. My nigga, we getting pretty thick now. Don't get us wrong.
Pretty damn thick.
Don't get us wrong, my nigga. This shit finna last. We finna get big. Don't get us wrong. But I'm gonna stop talking for right now. Cut the cheese, my nigga. Cut the cheese.
SBs out.
Gotta stop the fucking camera. This nigga didn't know how to do it, but anyway.
Oh, I got a headlet. It's cool.
Look at this nigga. Oh my fucking gosh, my bad. Oh, sorry people. Later.